In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mockup template in Canva. We'll start right inside Canva by opening a template. Pick a size that fits where you plan to showcase your mockup, whether that's a social post, a product thumbnail, or a presentation slide. Choosing the right canvas size up front helps you avoid resizing later. Next, head to the Uploads panel on the left. This is where you'll bring in the artwork, logo, or product image you want to showcase. Upload a high-resolution file if you can. Crisper images look more professional in mockups and hold up better when you resize. Once your image is uploaded, place it on the canvas to begin working with it. This just sets the stage. We'll transform it into a mockup in a moment. With the image selected, click Edit in the top toolbar. From there, choose Apps to open Canva's app library. Click See All to view the full list, then find and select Mockups. This is where Canva provides built-in frames and realistic scenes that wrap around your image automatically. Choose Create a Mockup template. Canva will show you mockup options tailored to your image, like devices, prints, packaging, or apparel. Browse the results, pick the style that fits your brand or product best, and then click Confirm. This applies the mockup and prepares a dedicated frame for your design. Now return to Uploads to grab your artwork again. Drag your image straight onto the mockup frame on the canvas. You'll see it snap into place. If it needs a nudge, you can drag to reposition or use the corner handles to scale it, so key details sit exactly where you want them in the scene. Next, resize the final image on your page so the mockup is prominent and easy to view. Use the corner handles to keep the proportions accurate and avoid any stretching. Take your time here. Clean sizing makes a big difference. Then fill the whole canvas so the mockup sits edge to edge, especially if you're preparing a final asset for a storefront or portfolio. This ensures there are no unintended borders and your design remains the focal point. Finally, adjust the look. Use the adjust controls to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation, so your artwork feels naturally integrated into the scene. Subtle tweaks can add depth, improve readability,